Hey everybody, welcome back to Mountain Elf Gaming. I'm Kush and this is our 7 Days to Die world. Today I want to start raiding some places and try and find vehicle parts. Now we have already done some of the residential places, but down in this part of town are some of the commercial type things. And that's kind of where I want to head for. I think there's a warehouse over there. I've already done the electronics store. At least I think that's an electronics store over there. But I want to try and get some transportation. And I kind of want to focus on that for a little bit before we start worrying about what upgrades and fixes I need to do to the Horde base. We will do that early enough for all the concrete to set before the Horde. But I kind of want to get something other than my legs to run around on. So last night I did get a few resources. I got some clay and went into a few of the houses closer to us and just kind of scavenged them for anything that was useful. I did find one passing gas box in a garage, but all it had was repair kits. So, all right, let's see. Let's head on over here. I'm not at a point where I'm ready to take on that apartment building. I'm sure there's some good resources in there, but I believe that's one of the tier 5 raids, and I am not at the point where I'm ready for that. So, I have already grabbed all the sand and cobble and stuff from this construction site. You can see the big hole in the ground over there. But there is more inside, so I think I might go ahead and go through this and get these resources. Woke up everybody inside, it sounds like. I am going to have to pillar up because there's normally a sort of hop up way of getting up here, but alright, are y'all going to break down the door for me? I might just go in the front door then. Alright, come on, break it down. And I am wearing the XP goggles. I know this isn't the way you're supposed to come in, but they open the door, so I'm going to go ahead and come in this way. Although it'd probably be easier to go through the POI the way it's actually meant to be. So let's hop up here. And I'll just put more frames down to get up there because I want the stone for making cement. See who's in here. Gotta be somebody in here. There's a lot of sound traps. Is there nobody in here? Hello? Ah, they were hiding in the walls and up in the ceiling. Ooh, sneaky shotgun Messiah crate up there. Alright, so this is where we came in. Let me pop my looting goggles on. Let's start grabbing the resources. I'm not going to take all the boxes. I think I have enough paper and stuff for now. I will take the iron. let's see what we get out of here. I don't think there's going to be any type of bicycle parts in here, or motorbike or motorcycle, but I do need the building resources for Horde Day. Where do I get to that little crate? Up there. Alright, let's get that out of the way. And then just kind of pillar up between the... and see what we get. Iron arrows. Alright. Would have preferred something a little different, but let's go back around and get the rest of that concrete and cement. Concrete and cobblestone. Plus that clears the top of the stairwell, so makes it a bit easier going up and down. I will keep the murky water because I've used quite a lot making glue and stuff like that, so I don't need a paintbrush. I can make one later. Alright, let's head downstairs, and this should be where we've already killed at least some of them in this front room. Like I said last night, I got a bunch of resources. I got some sand and clay and stone. Got some concrete, started mixing. I want to get a junk turret for the next Horde night. Because I think that'll help me with some of the sheer number of zombies. Didn't even see that up there. Alright, let's get this. Anybody in here? Oh, there's a basement. Alright. See what we got in the bag. Jars. More jars. And cans. I think I have plenty of cans at home, so... Alright, let's go see... Oh, I know this one. There's usually one in there, one over there, and one over there somewhere. So I can wake them all up and get them to come out and play. Alright, let's just check, make sure nobody's hiding back here. Shouldn't be. I think those are usually the only three that are down here. There is a working stiff crate back here though. An anvil. Scrap that again. Anything else? Doesn't look like. Alright, let's start getting what loot we can. Another can. Alright, it is unlocked, which is good, although I did bring a jailbreakers with me in case I needed it. Medical supplies. That'll be handy. And a working stiff crate. Another hammer, repair kit, some mechanical parts, and some food. see what we get in here. Well, it's not a good pistol, but at least it's a pistol. I'll go ahead and repair that. Does any of my stuff need repaired? I'll go ahead and repair those. And the AK, and I have wood on me for that, so I think my armor's doing okay. Yeah, it doesn't really need repaired. So, that's the loot out of this one. Not really anything for a bike, but at least we have a pistol. I have hammers at home, and I can make hammers, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that out. I can make the nails as well. Alright, let's head off to the next place. I'm just gonna knock a hole in that wall. Run out the front door. Okay, so we've got a pawn shop, a diner, or a Fats Foods, a cafe. I do want to get all the little gore piles I come across. The nitrate and the rotten flesh. I thought there was a warehouse thing down here, but maybe not. I don't think things like the diner are gonna have any sort of bike stuff. I don't think the adult movies place will have bike stuff. Days End. Alright, I'm gonna pause the recording while I run around and try and figure out where I want to loot next, and I'll bring you back in once I've made a decision. After we kill the crawler. Good thing I have it paused right now. I am not going in there. I got it paused again. Jeez, I feel like I'm having a hot flash. I just started like sweating like mad.